Canva Magic Expand tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make the Canva Magic Expand work and how it is going to do the job and also what can we do with it. So we're going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Once we have been on the admin dashboard, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen and we're going to use one of the projects that we have. So in my case, I'm going to use this project. For example, as you can see, I have here an image that we have set up like that. So I'm going to start deleting the thing. So this is our image. I have made this image. I have made this part of the image. I'm going to put it to the middle. You can see that I have cropped until I have finished. Now we want to make this image expand. So we can click on the image, select it, and click on edit. On the Magic Studio, we are going to find the Magic Expand. If we're going to scroll here until we're going to find Magic Expand. So Magic Expand is going to be for the moment a little bit of a, let's say, triable. That means that it is not going to be completely free, but it is triable. In our case, it is going to have the gray crown. So with this gray crown, as you can see, also for the background remover, it's going to be working. So for the crop is going to be something, and the expand is going to be something else. So we're going to find here, you can select the size, you can select the whole page. You can select, for example, one by one, and as you can read, images with faces, hands, or transparent backgrounds may not work well when expanding. I'm going to select the whole page where we want to expand. So it is going to scan here the image, and it is going to give us an expansion. So let's see. As you can see, with the background here, it didn't work. I cannot get it out of frame, or I can delete the frame and the image is going to be gone. So this is the whole problem here. So we can go ahead and have another image. Let's try it out. And here you go. That was pretty much it, the problem here. So it is going to give us like that. So cool. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you on the next one.